Well, we're giving them the send-off just to wish them well for their competitions in Thailand for the Southeast Asian Games. As you all know, we've got the men's volleyball, the women's volleyball, and our beach volleyball men and women's teams that are competing. We're just trying to encourage them to do their best, and hopefully they end up with a medal or two.
Sobrang grateful na nakalaro ulit. Nakabalik kami sa Beach Valley for SEA Games and dati pa naman talaga gusto talaga namin maglaro dito ni Pons and sobrang lawak na talaga ng volleyball talaga dito sa Philippines. We're very grateful na meron tayong mga leaders na alam mo yun, i-spread yung volleyball.
Ako sa sarili ko, na-amaze din ako kasi siyempre ako na lang sa batch ko, ako na lang yung naglalaro. Nakakakilabot yung mga galawan ng mga bata ngayon. Masaya ako para sa kanila yun kasi umangat na yung natin, yung laruan natin ng mga dito sa Pilipinas.
Alam namin yung mga country din na magpa-participate sa SEA Games. Malalakas din kaya marami kaming baon na pwedeng dalhin sa SEA Games. Mapakita kung ano yung natutunan namin sa World Championship.
Siguro po ang strongest motivation po namin, siguro yung experience po namin nung World Championship na nakapag-compete kami sa high level. At siguro yung experience na yun, madala namin itong sa SEA Games. I hope ganun din po yung maging performance namin this coming SEA Games.
It's a great opportunity for me na I get to play again for SEA Games. And with the talent that we have, I think this lineup is really promising, especially with the young players that we have and yung mga experienced players din. So it's a good mix.
Of course, we want to remember all of the hard work that we've been putting in, all of the times that we worked silently in the gym na hindi napapanood ng mga tao. And bit-bit din namin yung mga mahal namin sa buhay, yung mga pamilya, yung isa't isa, and lahat po ng Pilipino na sumusuporta sa amin. Kasi when it comes to playing for the flag, of course, we bring all of the Filipino people. Hello to all of the supporters of the Alas Pilipinas teams. We hope to see you or feel your support no matter where you are in the world. And supportan po natin din lahat ng sports, lahat ng teams na lalaban para sa bansa this coming SEA Games. See you po.